Hello! Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. Billy the Bumblebee, he's been helping us get through these, which is the 2009 ImagineFX magazines, and this one here is issue 50. So is it going to be like a party special or something? This is for December 2009. So let's get into this one. Last week's one was very interesting because the back cover would be my favourite cover of the year, but I don't know whether I can decide. I don't know if I can do that. But it was another brilliant issue. It really was brilliant. This year has been just fantastic, I think. It started out a little bit slow, but it's just been brilliant. And these two here are my favourite covers so far. Is this one going to beat it? The back cover is beautiful. The front, ooh, oh yeah, look. They've gone with a gold shininess. Can you see that? Oh look, they've like sort of, that's lovely, that is. That is very, I don't know if it really shows it, the camera's probably not doing this one justice, but the way that gold is popping, like somehow everything looks dark but the gold really pops in person. It's lovely, that is. And the back's beautiful as well. Look, two beautiful covers. That's definitely in the top 5, 6 or 7. But these are still my two favourites. But I've got a feeling this one's going to be a very interesting one. It's the 50th issue, so Billy's got us in. Oh, did they do? I wonder if they did alternative covers or something. Look, he sent them 2 thumbnails, so they have to pick. I like both. I like that one maybe better because it's a bit more. There's like a mysteriousness to it. And I think I would have gone with that one actually. Because you've still got the gold. Yay! Claire gets a kiss. This is what we've got coming up. Hey, James Gurney, look. James Gurney. A James Gurney. A James. This is all look, there he is. James Gurney. James Gurney. This is what's coming up in. Hey! Fun. Oh, I love these. I get the feeling, right, that these little children have been sucked into a fantasy world and shrunk. So like they're actually humans who have been shrunk into a little fantasy world or something. That's cool. That's nice as well, the colours on that. Look, Back to the Future. The Blues Brothers, isn't it? Yay. Look, robot. It's actually a robot, that is. Hey, what's this here, look? Something to do with... What's this here then? Digital Artist 2009 Awards. Oh, this is interesting. What would be good about somebody called Yasmin? I like that name, Yasmin. What would be interesting here is to look into these artists. I wonder if there's going to be 50 artists or something. Well, it'd be nice to look into them and see what they're doing now. He reminds me of Thingy King from Tekken. Lovely. Look, party. It's a party. It is a party. Congratulations, ImagineFX. 50 issues. They're now almost on. They're getting close to 250 now. That's brilliant, that is. Lovely, that. Devil May Cry, look. The anime. I like these. little you can imagine those as like stickers. Look at that, look. It's mental. Yay, Kev Crossley's art studio. Guy's got an old computer there, look. My computer must be about 9 years old by now. And I was less RAM than a musical greeting card. That's mental. That's quite crazy, that is. Look at this. Oh, cool. Look, what they must have done was somebody in the forum won the opportunity to get on the cover of ImagineFX, I bet. Win your place in describe a cover competition on forum as an amazing France, but here are the winners. So that was from a forum. Somebody in the forum. There you go, look at all these covers. All these beautiful covers here, look. God, look at them all. Oh, there's some hell of a sexy ones here. Oh, this is brilliant. That's brilliant. I seem to like that one up there. That is lovely, isn't it? They got the readers in onto the cover. Letters. Look at those DVDs there. Hey, IFX. They've done that with DVDs. Huh. Oh. Artists Q&A. Manga. What's this here, look? The 50th most inspirational artists. Cool. Oh yeah. We've got, but hey. Look, how brilliant is this going to be to go through all these artists and yeah, I love that cover. That was from last year. Hey, Adam Hughes, look. I wonder who's going to be number one. I bet Lewis didn't even exist back then, like as an artist. I'm not sure. Frank Miller, Bob Eggleton. He's only 20th. I would have put. Hey, Lewis Royo's got to be in here. Boris Vallejo 11th. I would have put him in the top 10. John Home. Look. Oh, who's number one? Frank Frazetta. It had to be, really, didn't it? Yeah. No. Oh, where's like Lewis Royo and stuff? Brian Frodler, 23rd. Oh, that's brilliant. That's something cool to read, that is. The Witches. I've got a comic called The Witches. District 9. We watched that at the cinema. Me and my mum. Alex Ruzi's sketchbook. These are nice. I like the shapes of them. Craig Millen's ImagineFX legend he is. Look at all those little people down there, look. Beautiful actually. It's not really my type of thing though. I like bright colours and stuff. 25 steps to a lived-in future. These are the workshops. This is with James Gurney. Imaginative realism. I've got that book. You got another one as well. Colour and light. Pop. He's a cool artist, isn't he? Wonder where his little budgie is. What's this there, look? Rahab, Angel of the Deep. An Angel of the Deep. Busting the myths of digital art. Really interesting to read. Yay! Painting a dragon's layerlet with Anne Stokes. Cool. Yay! Look, Star Wars. Fuck, look. Next week we're going to do Star Wars. Hey! Animal Anatomy. This is the last one. Animal Faces with Marshall Vandruff. I like that shape. Oh, that's it. Hey, look, look. He's turned animals into people. Huh. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? It'd be cool to go the other way as well, to turn people into animals. Hey look, these are the reviews, but they didn't do a big splash page. Normally good. Oh, what? That's it. It's finished. What's this here? Did you get... I'm not sure. That's it. Love... Oh, look. I love that. I forgot about that. That's very striking, that cover. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. There's only one left, look. Which is the Christmas ImagineFX magazine for 2009. So that'll be next week. I hope you enjoyed this little 50-year celebration of ImagineFX magazine, and I shall see you later for another one.